How to rename your Android device for QuickShare. This tutorial shows you how to rename your phone so it's easier to spot when sharing files nearby. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Connected Devices from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Connection Preferences. At this point, tap on QuickShare to open its settings. In the next step, look for the device name shown at the top of the page. Following this, tap on it to edit the name. Once done, clear the existing name and type in the new name you want for your device. From here, tap on Save or the checkmark icon to confirm the new name. At this stage, close Settings once the name has been updated. Keep in mind, this name is what other nearby devices will see when you try to share or receive files through QuickShare. Finally, come back to the same menu anytime you want to change the device name again. And that's it. If this guide helped you rename your Android device for QuickShare, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.